Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Alam niyo naman yan, guys, kasi hindi talaga to personal reading. So, pwedeng hindi mag-relate or mag-resonate sa lahat. Pero kung mag-relate, mag-resonate sa'yo, hopefully, no, mag-comment ka sa baba para makita ko kung talagang nakuha mo yung reading. Okay? Kahit po heart-heart lang smileys, guys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Anyway, let's start your reading. Pasensya na kayo, guys. Medyo luma yung card ko ngayon. So, medyo mahirap siyang i-shuffle. But, this is one of my favorite card. So, for air sign, please. For air sign, the lovers is here. Yeah, this is your air sign, Gemini energy. Two of Wands. Six of Swords. Some of you air sign, nakakakita tayo ng magandang relationship, magandang connection. Some of you hindi masyado maganda pero nakikita natin nag-move on ka na, naka-move on na nga yung iba. And that I can see a lot of success here with the Six of Wands for you. Okay? Maaaring merong mga planong hindi nangyari dito with the Two of Wands, but then nakikita natin na tinuloy mo pa rin yung plano na yon kahit hindi kasama yung past person na ito. For some of you na magkarelasyon pa ngayon, I can see a lot of commitment, a lot of love, a lot of understanding sa isa't isa. Romance is really here. Knight of Cups, yan, napakagandang connection para sa mga magkakarelasyon dyan. Some of you will be buying something na may halaga para sa isa't isa. You know, for some of you, maybe couple things, you know, maybe couple shoes, couple's watch, alam mo yon, yung terno, no? Some of you, yung ilan sa inyo, ganun ang nakikita natin. Kasi maganda yung relationship talaga. May understanding, may pagmamahalan, napakainit ng pagmamahalan. But if you're single or maybe still dealing with your ex, nakikita naman natin na nakaka-move on ka na. And then nakikita natin na nag-move forward ka na, nagiging masaya ka na ngayon sa kung ano man yung meron ka. And I can see success for you. Okay? So, messages for air sign. Actually, dalawang energies yung nakuha ko. One is napakaganda nga dahil nga may magandang relasyon, connection, pero yung iba hindi masyado maganda. But anyway, maganda pa rin kasi personally, hindi man maganda ang message pagdating sa love, pero yung sa kanilang sarili na nakakita tayo ng accomplishment, a lot of happiness, etc. For air sign, bottom of the deck, we do have here the World. Okay, magsimula tayo doon sa magkakarelasyon, may karelasyon. I can see possible pagta-travel sa inyong dalawa with the Chariot. And it's like maybe a vacation or maybe somehow nakakita tayo dito ng aggressive energy, mga mabibilisang pangyayari sa inyo. But I can see a lot of happiness in there. And then ayan, a lot of excitement. Or, yan, yung iba sa inyo, I can see new love, pero yung iba, hindi pa makaget over doon sa past. O, yung iba nga, di ba, sabi ko, pwedeng nag-move on pa lang. So, may new love na paparating. Pero yung iba, maybe naka-move on na. Whether naka-move on ka na or hindi, pwedeng nagmamatigas ka pa rin sa ngayon. So, maybe you are not yet healed or naka-get over ka na pero sa sarili mo parang hindi ka pa ready to love again. So, yung iba ganun ang nakukuha natin. because you do have here the world. So, this is you. Sorry, this is the Empress. Okay, nakuha ko lang yung energy dito ng the world. Kasi nakita ko dito yung Earth. But anyway. So, for what I can see here, I can see that you are loving yourself for now. Diba? Katulad ng mundo, buo, kumpleto. Parang hindi ko pa naman kailangan na kahit ano ngayon. Nasa akin pa naman lahat. You know, I don't need love. This is you loving yourself. This is you protecting whatever you have right now. This is you protecting yourself towards dun sa mga taong feeling mo mananakit sa'yo. This is because regarding your past, maybe hindi naging maganda. No? And there's this person though na willing to love you, willing to give you everything, willing to support you. This person wants a date with you. Kasi nakikita kanya as someone na parang you are interesting, parang ganun, para sa akin. Although marami tayong pagkakaiba, ganun ang energy niya. Parang marami kayong pagkakaiba, pero kahit marami kang pagkakaiba sa kanya, parang gusto kita kasi parang mysterious. And at the same time, gusto kong malaman kung ano nasa isip mo, nasa puso mo, ano takbo nasa isip mo, ano ang plano mo or whatever. Because namimisteryosohan siya sa'yo eh. Lalo hindi ka masyadong open na tao, hindi ka pala post, hindi ka pala share. For some of you, ganun ang attitude. So, this person wants you. This could be a new person, but yung iba nga sa inyo, maybe you're still dealing with the past. May naging relationship man kay past or wala, but this Nine of Swords, this is a past energy. This is a soulmate energy na parang, I'm still thinking about this person. Parang kung meron na naman bagong person, ako, pare-pareho lang naman na yan. Yan na naman yan. Parang ganun. And if you're dealing with a soulmate, maybe hindi ka pa totally open kasi you're still waiting for the soulmate that you have. No? Na you feel like may special connection sa inyo nitong taong to and you're still waiting for this person. What will happen in the near future for you? Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. What will happen in the near future for you? Spirit guides, angel guides for air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Thank you. In the near future, okay. You do have here the Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Nine of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. Simulan natin doon sa money. I can see big change. Okay. The Wheel is here. And it is like an energy of big change. Malaking pagbabago. Maaaring may matapos or may natapos pero magkakaroon ng another new beginning for you. Pagdating sa money, I can see you do have here the Judgment, maraming matututunan, maraming malalaman, and I feel like this is you you are actually a spiritually developed person. Pero mas mataas pa yung magiging level ng spiritual knowledge mo in the near future. Seven of Wands, I can see possible may mga taong mag-aangat sa'yo in the near future. Kaya mapapansin ka. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Maybe kahit hindi mo kinikwento ang buhay mo, may mga ibang pinagkikwentuhan ka. And then, sinasabi sa'yo, yung ganito, si ganyan. Ayun, maganda na buhay niya. You know what I mean? Especially yung iba sa inyo mga kamag-anak yan, proud sa'yo. A lot of people are proud of you. And in the near future, nakikita natin na ipapakita nila sa'yo, ipapagyabang kanila, or maipapakita nila, magugulat ka na lang na alam nila yung balita ng mga ibang taong yan. Because whether you like it or not, no? Ipinagmamalaki ka. Now, in the near future, pagdating sa love, I still see you as someone who is, meron kang boundaries. Nagsiset ka ng boundaries sa mga nakaka-connect or makaka-connect mo, which is meron tayo nakikita but you're not interested. I see you not interested. Ayaw mo pa naman yung ganun, yung sila yung nagagawa ng first move. If you are the guy in the relationship or in the connection, pero ito ay open sa, sa LGBTQIA+. Pero kung hindi, I mean, kung ikaw itong lalaki, no, sa connection, ayaw mo yung person na yun ang nagagawa ng first move or masyadong haliparot, sabihin na natin ganun. Pero if you're, for some of you, if you're a woman, maybe you're just not interested. In the near future, marami talagang hidden agenda and you could feel it. The moment na nakausap mo isang tao, kasi yung sa first glance, sa unang tingin, okay. Pero once na nakausap mo na siya, na-interact mo na siya, nakasalamuha mo na siya, then you would know kung ano talaga yung hidden agenda niya. And you could feel it. In the near future, ayan, maraming itinatago, maraming lihim. Pinapakita niya, he or she is like, maybe, okay, but I can see a bad boy, bad girl kind of energy. Hindi siya okay sa family, may mga problems within family. Hindi siya okay na makakonect because wala siyang respeto, you kind of energy. And you can feel it already, meron siyang mga itinatago, and then in the near future, that's why may mga boundaries kang inilalagay. If you want me, I'm sorry to say, ngayon pa lang, you can never have me. Parang ganun yung energy mo. Why? Because hanggang dyan ka lang. Friend zone for some of you. And then, for some of you dealing with your soulmate, for now, I cannot see you wanting anyone or anyhoo. Kasi nga, I don't know, I don't see any connection with your soulmate eh. Pero, in the future, yan din, hindi ka open pagdating sa iba because you're still thinking about your soulmate. Gusto ko pang makuha yung energies dito. I would like to clarify this 9 of Wands pagdating sa soulmate energy. May nakukuha akong energy dito na parang, you do have the King of Swords, 10 of Wands. I feel like your soulmate, I'm sorry to say, is leaving you behind. Lumalayo siya, umaalis siya, and or nag-focus siya talaga sa buhay niya, sa mga destinasyon niya, sa mga dapat niyang gawin sa buhay niya. So, I can see an ending sa connection ninyong dalawa. Okay? This person is seeing you and pwedeng naiisip niya, nakikita niya rin, and may mga iba pang taong kumukonect sa'yo. I don't care. Maybe you have to pick them. Sa kanila ka nalang mag-focus because I don't need you for now sa aking buhay. This person is someone na, ang laki talaga ng pagkakaiba niya dun sa mga kumukonect sa'yo na bago. So, that's why, naiintindihan ko rin kung bakit ayaw mo sa iba. Gusto mo pa rin ito si soulmate. Gusto mo pa rin si past. Kasi iba pa rin talaga siya. And then, yung iba sa inyo, your soulmate is like heading the other direction. So, may iba siyang pinatutunguhan ngayon. The Page of Cups, 3 of Swords, I don't know if there's another relationship na involved dito. But if there is, nakikita natin that there's a lot of love with the Ace of Cups and the 4 of Wands. So, nakakita tayo ng love, stability, relationship, commitment, marriage para sa iba. And I can see na mas na-enhance yung kanilang relationship with the Hierophant kasi mas nagbo-bloom. Mas lalong nagle-level up, nagbo-bloom, okay? So, yung person na ito is not making any decision regarding sa'yo, pinaparaya ka na niya, binibigay ka na niya sa iba. So, if you're dealing with your soulmate is not thinking about you for now, or not focusing in your energy, no? But if you're dealing with the twin flame, nandun pa rin yung pag-iisip sa'yo kasi hindi ka naman niya basta malimutan, This is a twin flame connection, but sa ngayon, wala talaga. Total ending with the 10 of Wands and a King of Swords energy. Okay, for some of you, if you're in a relationship, nakakita tayo ng development, magandang connection, magandang pundasyon. Merong mga sisimulan na maaaring may kinalaman sa magiging future ninyo. For some of you, may pagpaplano na pag-iipon na may kinalaman sa, I don't know if this could be a sign of pregnancy for some of you. Okay, yung iba naman, this could be a sign of something na ipupundar. You know what I mean? So maybe buying a house, lote, or maybe a car, whatever. This Seven of Pentacles is showing na inuunti-unti nyo na yung pagde-develop or pagbuo ng something bigger in the near future na parang magbubunga for the both of you. So maganda yan, napakagandang plano in the near future. So, thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate kayo, naka-connect kayo sa ating reading. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo, Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign, Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra, Philippines. If you want to catch me on live, yan, I will be doing my live sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot, search mo yan. And or doon sa aking isang channel, Madam P Vlogs sa YouTube. Dito lang ako sa dalawang nabanggit ko na yun muna mag-live ngayon, okay? Maybe sooner sa Facebook or what. Pero for now, doon ang mga lives ko. I love you all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.